Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. So you probably know what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I'm going to be reorganizing my closet because it's kind of messy, and I might as well, since I have the time, I'm already at home, and with everything on the coronavirus, might as well do something that's, you know, keeps me occupied. So I'm actually going to show you guys what my closet looks like right now. Okay, so you have two doors on each side, and let's open this one. So on this side you have like a little bit of space for clothes, like dresses, and then these are supposed to be shoe shelves, but they're kind of just like random things now. And on the other side, this side's a bit more organized. It just looks like crowded and messy. Then like there's random stuff up there, but it's okay. It's just like a really small closet. So you know those houses where you're like, oh my gosh, I love this house so much, and then you get to the closet and you're like disappointed? That is my closet right now. It's just not good. It kind of reminds me of the movie, and Carrie Bradshaw is like a huge shoes and clothes person, and she finds the perfect penthouse in New York City, and they go to the closet and it's like this. It's like super small.
How is this place even available?
Nasty divorce.
If you live here, what is there to fight about? Well, now I understand the divorce.
So hopefully I'm gonna work with what I got and show you guys how I'm gonna redo my closet. Okay, so I just cleared this top shelf up here, and I have a lot more jackets than what I thought. So many jackets, and as you can see, it's all cleared. I'm gonna have to clean like this part too, just because it looks so messy. Okay, I'm gonna need some help because I cannot reach this top shelf, so I'll be right back. This box goes right there, and then put this back on top. Okay, so I had to turn on my ring light. Oh, hey Google, pause. Okay, so I had to turn on my ring light because it got super gloomy outside, and so I just finished this part. All I did was reorganize these boxes, and in this one I put all my sunglasses and blue light glasses, and then some stuff in there, and then I put some stuff up here, and now I gotta hang these clothes back up. Okay, so I just sorted all of my clothes in different piles. There's even some on the ground, and now I'm going to hang them up. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I just started putting stuff on this bottom shelf, but I can't decide what order I want like the colors to go, so still working on that. But I was looking around my room, and I might redecorate my room later, not like in a different vlog, because I was watching other YouTube videos and like how they're like a room makeover, and they were using the Tezza app, and they had the coolest collages, so I might do that for my next video. So I'm gonna finish putting up these clothes and then get started on my shoe rack, so keep watching. I finished this side of my closet, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Hey Google, pause. So let's start from up here. So I put some more Louis Vuitton bags up there. It's always closed, so don't worry about that. But I re-color coded these, and I just did black into grays, into whites, sweatshirts, into green, maroon, red, all my jean jackets. And then back here is like more puffier jackets. And then down here, I'm so proud of this one down here because it looks so cool. I started with red and went into like pinks, blues, greens, grays, and then more into the whites. I have a lot of black clothes, more than what I thought. And then it just goes back here, and then these are like more patterns. So it looks way better. So now let's start on this side. Okay, so this is going to be the before scene of how this side looks. It looks so bad, but over here I have all the stuffed animals that I won at Disneyland. So I want to move those somewhere else, like in a different room. But this is how it looks, so let's change it. Okay, so I just finished organizing all my closet. The camera died when I did my dresses section, so sorry about that. But let me show you guys how my new organized closet looks. Okay, so let's start on this side. So I put all my dresses color coordinated, and then up here I just put like boots and shoes that I don't really wear that often or only in the winter. And then I reorganized all my shoes, which, by the way, I did a designer shoe collection video, so I'm going to link that down below, so go watch now. And then I just have all my work pants and jeans and leggings right here, and some more shoes down here. It just looks so much better. And then on this side is everything is color coordinated. I kind of just mix like t-shirts with dress shirts as well, but it looks pretty cute. And then over here, everything's color coordinated, and it just looks so much better than before. So that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed organizing my whole entire closet. Stay safe out there because of the virus, and don't forget to wash your hands, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.